If you make calls on your iPhone, do other people have a hard time hearing you? Or do you sometimes make calls in crowded or noisy places? A cool feature on any iPhone is voice isolation. It will dim out or drown out the background noise and just focus in on your voice, making it crisp and clear whenever you make a call. I'll show you exactly how to turn it on. Now, tap on the phone app on your iPhone. And you're going to have to make a call to do this. You can't do it unless you're on a call itself, and then it will be set up and automatically switch to voice isolation on any future call. So one option that you have is you can tap on the keypad here and just dial your own phone number. So here you can see is Trevor Nace. I'm just going to call myself. Again, just dial your own phone number. After you've done that, take your finger while you're on the call and swipe down from the top right. Tap at the top where it says phone controls with the microphone icon, and you can see audio and visual. It's usually set to automatic. However, I can tap on voice isolation. And by doing so, when I'm on that call, it will just isolate my voice. Now you can hang up on the call for yourself, and any call going forward that you make with other people, it will just isolate your voice and it should be crisp and clear to the other person. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.